Here's a concise summary of the legal developments regarding Donald Trump's conviction. Judge Juan Merchan refused to throw out Trump's 34 felony guilty verdicts for falsifying business records in the New York hush money case. Trump's team argued for dismissal based on presidential immunity, citing the Supreme Court's recent ruling that presidents have some immunity for official conduct. However, Judge Merchan determined Trump's actions were not official presidential conduct, as most of the crimes occurred before he took office. For actions that continued during Trump's presidency, such as reimbursing Michael Cohen from the Oval Office, Merchan stated any errors involving those were legally harmless and did not affect the case's outcome. Trump's team also claims president-elect immunity, arguing he cannot face sentencing since he's a presumptive next president. Merchan has not yet ruled on this, but prosecutors argue this type of immunity does not exist. Prosecutors propose two options: proceed with sentencing now, likely resulting in probation; pause sentencing until Trump leaves office, at which point he could face prison time. Trump's lawyers are expected to immediately appeal Merchan's ruling on presidential immunity, as such decisions are typically subject to fast-track appeals. In short, Trump's conviction stands for now, and the case heads towards sentencing or appeal. Judge Juan Merchan refused to throw out Trump's 34 felony convictions in the New York hush money case, dismissing claims of presidential immunity because Trump's conduct was not official presidential conduct. Any overlap with his presidency was deemed harmless error, meaning it did not impact the trial's outcome. Trump's team is likely to appeal Merchan's ruling, which could work its way to the Supreme Court. Trump's legal strategy may involve trying to shift the case into the federal court system. Trump's claim of president-elect immunity remains unresolved. Prosecutors argue this concept does not exist. If sentencing proceeds, Trump is more likely to receive probation rather than jail time. Probation would cement his convicted felon status, but offer little actual punishment. Prosecutors also propose pausing the case until Trump leaves office to allow for a potentially more significant sentence. Both Glenn Kirschner and Brian Tyler Cohen criticized the justice system's reluctance to fully hold Trump accountable, arguing that such leniency fuels ongoing corruption and undermines the rule of law. They highlight the need for judges, officials, and media outlets to step up and meet the moment with the urgency it demands.